Welcome to YOUCANIC. In this video I'm going to show you how to calibrate those vent motors. So under the dash you have those motors that direct the airflow up to the top, down by your feet. So these motors that go up and down and they lose calibration, you might start hearing noise from under the dash. The motor could be bad, but hey, it's worth trying the calibration. That's not going to hurt. So let me show you how to do that. So here we're using the YOUCANIC UCAN-II scanner. What you want to do is from the home screen select diagnostic, then you select your Jeep, make and model, and then you get this to this screen, select control modules, scroll down here, select heat, ventilation and AC, and then you can read the codes. A lot of times if you have a bad motor, you'll have a full code in there that says motor and it'll say open circuit or something like that. But if that's not the problem, you can test the motors, you can left air mixed motor or blower motor or things like that. You can test them under special function, and that's what we're interested in. Go to self-learning motor test, and what this is going to do, it will recalibrate the flat motors, the limits. So basically it opens them to max and to both position max and min. So press OK again, and it does take about a minute. It's going through that. You can kind of hear those. Listen carefully. It might not be picked up by the camera, but you can hear the vent motors kind of moving. You can hear that there. So it takes a minute, and then basically if everything is fine, you get a message in there that says calibration done successful. But if there's issues, the motor is not moving, or when it gets stuck, you're gonna get an error message that it's just saying it didn't get completed. And so test passed, flat motor calibrated. That's all you get if everything goes well. Thank you for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.